Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video we are going to talk about how to perform a left slipped cross. These are abbreviated LSC. Alright, let's get started. For these stitches you will need a cable needle or a short double pointed needle or something to hold your stitches and slip the stitches on either end. I tend to just use this short double pointed needle. To start, we will pick up our cable needle, we will slip one stitch to the cable needle, we will hold that to the front, we will knit one, and then we will slip one stitch from the cable needle. And that is the left slipped cross. So as you can see, this slips to the right and this slips to the left. I will go ahead and just knit my last two stitches, and then I will purl through the back, and we'll be back to show a quick hack for the left slip cross. Alright, now for the left slip cross. This one you can perform without the cable needle without having to hold on to your stitches or anything. All you have to do, take your right needle behind the first stitch, then knit the second stitch, pulling your new stitch just back through between those two stitches, and then you just slip the first stitch onto your right hand needle, and you'll slip that second stitch off because you've already worked that. I'll show that once more. Come behind the first loop, so we go completely behind that first loop, come through to the front, come into the front to the back of that second stitch and just work it as a knit stitch. So you'll bring it back front and then pull your needle between the two stitches, and then you'll just slip this first stitch as if to knit and slide the second stitch off. And I'll just knit my last stitch. So there you go. There are two methods to perform the LSC, or the left slipped cross. If you have any questions, go ahead and play back this tutorial at a slower speed, or comment down below with any questions, comments, or concerns that you might have. If you liked this tutorial, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like notifications, you can click the notification bell or sign up for our emails at www.snickerdoodleknits.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you very soon. Happy knitting!